The Breviceps Fuscus, commonly known as the Bushveld rain frog, is a fascinating amphibian found in southern Africa. Despite its small size and unassuming appearance, this frog possesses remarkable adaptations. Its stout body and short limbs enable it to burrow efficiently into the soil, where it spends much of its time underground. When threatened, it inflates its body to appear larger and emits a high-pitched distress call. These frogs have a unique breeding strategy, laying their eggs underground where the tadpoles develop in water-filled chambers created by the female. This remarkable frog showcases the diverse survival strategies found in nature.